My dad was super excited to share this recipe with all of you. He had combined two of my son and daughter's favorite items into one dish. My daughter loves to eat steamed fish, and my son loves Chinese pork sausages. The first thing he did was cook the pork sausages and then cut it into strips. Then he used the green part of the green onion, cut it into long strips, and he's going to use this to tie the fish together. Dad chose the pickerel fish for this recipe because the meat is sweet and tender. He's really good at filleting this fish, removing all the bones. My dad is 73 years old, and the one thing that brings him joy is to be able to go grocery shopping, buy fresh food to prepare for his grandchildren. It makes him so happy when they're enjoying his cooking and the food that he's prepared. Every part of this pickerel fish will be put to good use. The bone and the head will be used to make a fish soup, and the meat, we're going to be using that to make the fish rolls today. Once you have filleted the fish and removed all the bones, you're going to cut it into pieces. Then you're going to butterfly the pieces, creating a pocket to place the pork sausages. Julienne the head of the green onion, and then you're going to place some green onion, pork sausage in the pocket of the fish, and then use the green part of the green onion to tie it. You're going to add some julienne ginger, and then you're going to steam it for about 6 to 8 minutes, depending on the size of your fish rolls. When the fish is cooked, you're going to drizzle some seafood soy sauce onto the fish and some hot oil onto the fish. Then you can enjoy this delicious, tender, sweet, and tasty fish roll with some rice.